signatures of individuals who are not here today. Although I'm not representing them, I do have their signatures. And,
Would the staff take that?
and if anyone here would like to sign it tonight, I do have that. In addition, I have one question in closing. I'd like to know what the protocol is moving forward, because this is weighing heavily on my mind, and I'd really like to get it off. So if you could tell me how many more days I have to I have to worry about this, that'd be great. Thank you.
I'm sorry, but you have to repeat your name and address
I'm sorry.
again.
It's Christine Novak, and I live at 1665 Laurie, right across from the parking lot at the park.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Anyone else that hasn't spoken this evening that would like to speak? One more time, anyone that hasn't spoken would like to speak? Okay. Is there anybody that has spoken that would like to make a comment?